Guide: multi-screen collaboration. Enable NFC on your phone. Tap the NFC area on your phone against the Huawei share icon on your laptop. Your phone screen will instantly display on your laptop. You can now use the mouse to control your phone. You can also connect your phone to the laptop using Bluetooth or by scanning the QR code. Open the Tips apps for instructions. You can drag a file from your phone and drop it on your laptop, or transfer a file the other way around by dropping it in the Files app on your phone. Open an app on your phone. You can now input text using your laptop keyboard. You can also copy and paste text from your phone to your laptop and the other way around. Experience Huawei multi-screen collaboration now.